Now we will solve the problem solution. We will solve the problem number 23 from chapter 27 of survey. The toaster is rated to power of 600 watt. Okay, when connected to the potential of 120 volt. What does the current roaster carry? And it has a two part. We have to find the current, and the secondly we have to find the resistance. Okay. So as we know that the power is equal to uh, I phi IV, or you may say that I phi. Okay. IV, or you may say that or I phi. Okay, delta phi r. Okay. So we have to find the current. This implies that from here current is equal to P divided by delta phi. So P is given, that is 600. Delta phi is 120. Okay. So that will be 6 2 time 1 5. This will be a 5 ampere. So current will be 5 ampere. B part is define the resistance. As we know that delta V is equal to IR, or you may say that R is equal to delta V over I. Delta V over I. Delta V is equal to 120. I is 5. And D 24. So this will be the. So this will be the answer. And this will be the A part and B part. If you have any question, put your question at the comment box. Yeah, and your feedback and your question will be highly appreciated. Thank you very much. Now we will move toward the next question.